Right, at DU. This is the Shwayder building. This is the art building here. Built in 77. The elevator here isn't a terribly interesting one, but we'll film it anyway. What the hell? That looks like the thing that spins around and brushes your car in the car wash. And the elevator is back here. Dover modded by ThyssenKrupp. Pretty basic. I had a class on the second floor a few years ago. See if my access still works. Yes, it does. That's funny. The second floor. I used to have classes up here. Very basic mod. That's new. Guess that was where the old phone cabinet was. Now actually this might not have been Dover because that's not a Dover door track. Who knows actually. Maybe it was in Montgomery. I couldn't tell you actually. That could have been all Dover. That could have been all Dover. Anyway, I guess this is the ceramics section. That